How to file taxes as a freelancer or small business owner. Imagine this. You're crushing it as a freelancer or small business owner, making money on your terms, working when you want. But then, bam! Tax season hits you like a freight train. The IRS doesn't care how hard you've worked. They just want their cut. And if you get it wrong, penalties, audits, fines, maybe even losing everything you built. But here's the shocking part. Over 70% of freelancers and small business owners overpay their taxes. Or worse, they file incorrectly and end up in legal trouble. So how do you file your taxes the right way, pay less, and avoid costly mistakes? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to file like a pro, keep more of your hard-earned cash, and avoid the IRS nightmare that too many entrepreneurs face. Before we dive in, tap that like button so more freelancers like you don't fall into tax traps. Why taxes are a nightmare for freelancers? If you're watching this, chances are you've asked yourself at least once, how do I even start filing my taxes? And you're not alone. The tax system isn't designed for freelancers. It's designed for employees. That means no one teaches you the secrets of tax deductions, write-offs, or the loopholes that could save you thousands. And the IRS, they're banking on you making mistakes. They don't just want your money, they want to punish you for not knowing the rules. Did you know that over 40% of freelancers get hit with penalties for incorrect filings? Or that most small business owners pay up to 30% more in taxes than they legally have to? Here's the worst part. Once you mess up, you're on the IRS radar for years. One mistake today could cost you thousands in the future. Let me tell you about Sarah. She was a six-figure freelancer killing it in her industry. But one year, she forgot to estimate her taxes quarterly. By the time tax season came, she owed over $18,000 in back taxes, with penalties stacking up every day. She ignored the IRS letters at first, thinking she could figure it out later. Then, boom, her bank account was frozen. Her credit destroyed. Her dream business on the verge of collapse. All because she didn't know the rules. And she's not alone. The internet is full of horror stories about entrepreneurs getting crushed by tax debt. But guess what? It doesn't have to be this way. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to avoid this nightmare and keep more of your hard-earned money legally. How to file your taxes the right way. All right, here's the game plan. This is where you take control of your finances and become your own tax expert. Let's break it down step by step. How to file taxes as a freelancer or small business owner. Sole proprietorship versus LLC versus S-Corp, what's best for you? The shocking reason why staying a sole proprietor is the most expensive mistake. How an LLC or S-Corp could slash your tax bill by 30%. Step 2. Track your income and expenses properly. The IRS loves freelancers who don't keep records because it makes auditing you so easy. The best free and paid tools to track your income and expenses effortlessly. The one common expense freelancers forget to deduct. That could save you thousands. How to file taxes as a freelancer or small business owner. The top 10 tax deductions most freelancers miss. Home office deduction. How to claim it without triggering an audit. Mileage, meals, and software, what you can and can't deduct. Step 4. Pay quarterly taxes and avoid penalties. Why the IRS expects freelancers to pay taxes 4 times a year. The easy formula to calculate how much to pay. How to set up automatic payments and never stress about it again. Step 5. Hire a tax professional or use software. When it's worth hiring an accountant versus using tax software. The best tax software options that make filing effortless. how to legally pay less taxes by using the same loopholes big businesses use. Here's where we go beyond just filing correctly and into the legal tax loopholes that can save you thousands. The S-Corp salary hack, how to pay yourself and cut your tax bill legally. The retirement loophole, why freelancers can stash away $66,000 tax-free every year. The travel write-off, how to make your vacations tax-deductible. Want me to break down more tax hacks like these? Comment tax hacks below and I'll make a full video on it. So now you know the truth about filing taxes as a freelancer or small business owner. The IRS is counting on you to be confused, to overpay, or to make mistakes. But you're not going to fall for it, because now you have the knowledge to legally keep more of your money. So take action today. Get your record straight, plan your deductions, and most importantly, don't wait until tax season to think about taxes. If this video helped you, smash that like button and share it with another freelancer who needs to hear this. And if you want more strategies to grow your business and keep more of your profits, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Because here, we make sure you stay in control of your money. See you in the next one.